Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to write a great biography essay step by step. Whether you're writing about a famous person or someone important to you, I'm here to make this simple and clear. We have 5 steps to write your biography. Number 1, choosing your subject. 2, researching. 3, creating an outline. 4, writing the essay. And finally, editing. Let's go through each step and see an example of how to do it. Step number 1 is choosing your subject. This means picking the person you're going to write about. You can choose someone famous, like a historical figure, or someone personal, like a family member. For example, if I choose Abraham Lincoln, I'm picking someone famous. But if I choose my grandmother, I'm choosing someone personal who has an inspiring story. Step number 2 is research. Research means learning about the person's life. You want to focus on 3 things. Number 1, their early life. 2, their achievements. 3, why they are important or interesting. Take notes as you go. Write down the key dates, events, and interesting facts. For example, if I'm writing about Abraham Lincoln, I might note, born in 1809 in Kentucky, became the 16th U.S. President, led the country during the Civil War, helped end slavery with Emancipation Proclamation. You can use books, articles, or interviews to find your facts. Step number 3 is making an outline. An outline helps organize your ideas before you start writing. A good biography essay has 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction, you may write who is this person and why are they important. In the body, you can write about the early life, the achievements, and interesting facts. In the conclusion, you may add what impact did this person have and what did you learn from their life. Let's see an example outline. Here's a quick outline for Abraham Lincoln. In the introduction, we may write Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president, ended slavery. In the body, in the early life, we can say, grew up poor in a log cabin. In the achievements, we may add, led the U.S. through the Civil War, signed the Emancipation Proclamation. Also, we can add interesting facts. For example, he loved reading and taught himself many things. And in the conclusion, we can say, Lincoln's leadership and bravery changed history. His story teaches us about perseverance and equality. Use bullet points to keep your outline clear. Step number 4 is writing your essay. Now that you have your outline, start with your introduction. An introduction should have a hook. Who is the person we're talking about? Plus, why is he important or why does he matter? For example, we may write, American history is rich with remarkable individuals whose stories deserve to be celebrated and remembered. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, is remembered for his courage and leadership. He guided the country through its darkest time, the Civil War, and ended slavery, changing American history forever. Next, we write the body paragraphs. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 in a small log cabin in Kentucky. His family was poor and he didn't have much formal education. However, Lincoln loved to read and taught himself by borrowing books. His hard work and passion for learning helped him become a lawyer and later the President of the United States. As president, Lincoln led the country during one of its most difficult times, the American Civil War. He worked hard to keep the nation united and fought to end slavery in the United States. In 1863, he issued the Emancipation Proclamation, which declared freedom for enslaved people in the southern states. Lincoln's leadership and dedication to equality helped shape the future of the country. Finally, write your conclusion. Summarize what makes this person special and what you learned from their life. For example, Abraham Lincoln's bravery and dedication changed history. He showed us that one person can make a difference, even in the hardest times. His story remains one of the most inspirational in American history. End with a strong message or lesson. Step number 5 is editing. Once you finish writing, read your essay out loud. Check for mistakes in spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Make sure your ideas flow smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about the person you want to write about. See you next time.